We're a family business. I'm third generation, founded by my granddad. We've been here over 80 years now, so we're part of the community. The most important thing we do here is make sure our customers are safe. Any urgent repairs have to be identified and cleared before we carry on. The pool of cars that we see is massive, so we try to keep on top of everything as best we can. Suppliers are a critical thing for us. We need a wide range of parts available within the same day, preferably next day if not. So OE aftermarket is the way we go. The vehicle car park's changing at the minute. Technical support's key. We couldn't survive without the backup of our suppliers. We're constantly investing in diagnostic equipment and training to maintain what we're doing. The challenges that we're facing are massive. The pace of change has never been so fast. We've had vehicles where they've had oil and filters replaced, and then there's been an oil pressure issue, and we've managed to contact MAHLE direct and have a technical service bulletin sent to us which has fixed the issue. Here we are EV level 4 trained, so we're specialised in that. Electric and hybrid are growing massively. The internal combustion engine will be around with us for many, many years to come. If an independent garage wants to keep repairing the modern cars, they've got to invest in training and technology. We have the MAHLE machines because they're reliable and when we need them to be working all day, every day. The modern car has so many interconnected systems now, it's an absolute minefield. Be ready for anything that comes through the door, so we have to be trained and equipped, ready for whatever our customers purchase next. Just changing a simple suspension component can lead on to a wheel alignment job and then an ADAS recalibration. It's never a bad day at work if you're doing what you love. We see customers not only to repair the cars but on a personal level and make sure they're all okay.